friends and family, cats, dogs, new friends, and also all the little spiders moving back to my house from a very lengthy vacation in my garden. They have tiny rucksacks. You probably know this already, although I am not sure about the family portion of the people who are watching me do things. Silent Hill 2 Remake is out. Grandmas, Grandpa, this is a video game. It's a horror video game, so I don't think you're gonna enjoy this video, so please click off now. I love you very much. So yeah, I'm a bit obsessed with the release, if I'm being honest. Like, Silent Hill 2 was always my favorite game to play, and I'm very obsessed. I just cannot stop watching people on YouTube experiencing the game for the first time. Like, this is my favorite pastime nowadays, to be honest. Like, this year, I'm really counting down the days until Halloween because I decided that this is the day that I'm gonna finally play it. So, if you wanted to invite me to a party, I'm sorry, I'm not available. It's also my hair wash day, and I just cannot go outside the house. I'm really sorry. I'm also making a lemon meringue pie, and I need to eat it alone, playing Silent Hill, because this is my family tradition, and sorry, I don't make the rules. I need to stay at home. There's still some time until Halloween, and I want that hype train rolling. So I thought, what better way to keep the train rolling than make some Halloween decor inspired by Silent Hill 2. I'm thinking about like 2 smaller projects inspired by the Woodside apartments, and these are gonna go inside my house. I'm also planning to make a bigger one for the outside because I have a bone to pick with my neighbors' teenagers. I don't know if you know, 2 years ago they set my Halloween decor on fire, and I'm still very confused why they did that, because in this house we don't play when it comes to Halloween. I'm sorry, but you're not gonna get a trail mix from this house, okay? Like, you're not gonna get the gay version of candy. If you want a Snicker, you are getting a big boy Snicker. You're not gonna get the celebration mix. I even bought a big bag of Skittles for them. Not the mini ones, no. I gave them a big bag of Skittles, and they still set my cute pumpkin on fire. I'm done with that. I'm done with cute little pumpkins and cute little decor. So this year, they're getting not only good candy, but also some real spooks, because I'm planning to do a lying monster, lying figure. And it's gonna be on the porch. It's gonna be waiting for them with some candy. Alright, I think we can start with 2 first crafts. Let's go. I have those 2 beautiful frames over here, and I was thinking about using both of them for my Woodside Apartments moth-inspired decorations. First off, I will be turning this frame into, how are they called? Like a moth taxidermy display. The one that James sees inside the apartment through a peephole. Editing Alex, if you can find a nice pretty screenshot of the scene, please put it here somewhere. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, so I'm doing these. Thank you, Editing Alex. This looks beautiful. Thanks. I'm planning to use just the supplies that I have around the house. I'm not planning to buy anything, so I will be reusing wire from over the garden wall, and I will need glue, paper, and I also have like this baby shark, a paper tape, and I think it's going to be really good for wrapping around wire just to create their little feet. As for the wings, they will be made of crepe paper. Well, I don't know how it happened, but I have boxes and boxes of them, and I seem to have enough to open a little creepy. Anyway, second project. My second project will be a nod to the original game. So in the original game, at some points, James comes inside apartment 202 and he puts his hand inside a hole in the wall, and you can see black moths flying around him. My ambitious plan involves black paper, blue tack, and origami. Origami. I'm going to make as many as possible moths, so the ambitious plan is to create a hole here and have like a swarm of moths flying around in my corridor. So they will be coming out of this frame. And hearing myself right now when I'm saying this out loud, my hands and fingers already hurt. That's gonna be a lot of folding. You also think this is not a good idea? It's gonna be painful. And that's it for those projects. Actually, no. I promised a full-sized flying monster, did I? Did I? Did they mention it's going to be full-sized? I'm gonna use paper mache again. I think I hate myself at this point. I think this is just cruel. Today I will be making some moth art. I need a whole swarm of moths and I decided to origami it, which is... Anyway, you're all invited to the disaster that's about to unfold. Now, when it comes to paper crafts, I know my way around scissors, I know my way around collages, I love doing that. I think collage is incredibly versatile and flexible, but origami? That's a completely different beast. It demands precision, which I have. Like I love making miniatures, like this is my jam. It requires patience. I can handle that too, no problem. So it seems like origami is like the perfect blend of like those two things that I really enjoy. See, it just seems like something that I would enjoy, but for some reason, I don't know why, every time I'm trying to do anything origami related, my fingers start to twitch, my body starts to twitch. Origami and me, we don't go together, like, no. I watched some YouTube videos.
Pick the easiest YouTube tutorial about how to make a moth. At least seems easy. So let's learn how to do this together, shall we?
Here's my craft paper. I cut like all the squares yesterday, so like everything is pre-cut already, ready for me.
Okay, I'm gonna...
Hello everyone, okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this book.
Okay, wait. So, this...
And folding, okay. And then...
Open this up.
Open this. Okay, so he says I need to do this, so and another half.
So now after folding this, I should have like this almost triangle shape. No, like he has a different shape than I.
What triangle? Huh? How did he do that? Wait. Okay, frame by frame. Okay, so he's pushing. Oh, okay. So another one. Okay. It looks mothy. Oh, he's doing some magic. Oh, wait. I didn't. Ah, okay. So he's doing something like this. Ooh. Good enough. I'm calling it good enough. Okay, let's try more.
So you're probably wondering, what am I doing right now? Why am I wrapping myself in cling foil? So cling foil and the silver tape will help me to get a form for the lying monster. Put my high heels on, I'll be wrapping my feet also in cling foil and then in silver tape. That will give me a nice form that will hopefully stand on its own, and I will be able to cover it in paper mache. And you know, That's all great. I can do it on my own and I can wrap my feet. But I will need some help with wrapping also my torso with this. I will also need to add a hoodie and it will cover my face, which is kind of worrying because I'm extremely claustrophobic and this is what I'm really worried about, is that I'm going to start to freak out. So yeah, hopefully it will go well. So for now, just enjoy the shots of me doing stuff.
Stop talking about your sweetie. Let's talk about
Just gonna
my
try.
sweetie now. I've listened to you raving. Now listen to my raving. You're gonna hear some raving now.
My tip for you would be, if you're gonna do this, just make sure you have enough tape. My wife's just ran to the garage just to see if we have more, but I really doubt it. We're gonna use probably some paper tape. I hope she comes back soon.
Hey kids, do you want to see something truly disgusting? I cannot look at this without feeling at least a little queasy, but also it's really funny to me that it's actually a body. Oh, look at the feet. As I mentioned earlier, we ran out of silver tape, so only the feet are nice and sturdy. Like, the whole mannequin should be like that. It should look like this, but you know, like it's too late to fix that now. I guess I will just need to improvise, overcome, adapt. The plan, I think it's a good plan, is to start with the feet. I just want to get them nice and sturdy and done today. I also found a stash of balloons somewhere in my house. It is, I forgot where it is, but it's somewhere. I'm gonna find it. So the plan is to finish the feet, stuff some balloons inside so she will be again nice and bulbous, wrap her in paper mache and then make a head, because as you've probably seen, I didn't want to wrap my head in the tape. First of all, I would die. Second, I'm extremely claustrophobic. Even when I had this here, I was just like, this is too much. I guess this is enough talking. I'm talking too much in my videos. I'm really, really sorry. I need to get this girly up and running for Halloween. I'm saying my goodbyes now. We'll see each other in the next segment. And now, please montage sequence here, editing Alice. Actually, I lied. I want to talk. I just want to chit-chat for a bit. So, as you know, recently there have been like a lot of remakes, a lot of games being remade, not only Silent Hill 2. And I just wanted to ask you a question. Are you a fan of the remakes? Are you a fan of old games being remade? Or you are just against it? Also, what game would you love to have remade? Is there a game like that? Ow! Ow! I have a game I would love to play. I don't know if you know this game. It's called Siren. It's a Japanese horror game, and you play multiple characters during the duration of the game, and you just need to reveal the main storyline. I never played VR games, but I would love to have this as a VR game. I think I would just die, probably. I'm very happy with how these turned out. They are lighter and sturdier side. That's okay. I will be gluing them to the balloon anyway. The only thing that's left is to paint them, I think, like brownish color with acrylics and give them wings. So I have my paper here. I have palettes with my acrylics, I have brushes that I have the references on my second monitor. I love my corridor. I just absolutely love my corridor. I think it looks amazing. Yesterday when I was recording some scenes and I had the lamp with me, the lighting kept changing and the shadows brought this installation to life. I'm not scared of like any butterflies or moths or anything like that. But I must admit, it made my skin crawl just a tiny little bit. I really need to give my lovely wife, who did, let's be honest, most of the job, and myself big pats on the back. She's in the office. It just looks great. I think this is something that we can reuse for the next Halloween. I'm really happy with this craft, and if you want to do something like last minute for Halloween decor, this is the craft to do. Make a bunch of moths. They look really creepy. I'm also really happy with how the fake taxidermy turned out. They look even better than I expected. They look really, really good. We're doing some reno in the office, and like the theme is gonna be like a retro dark academia vibe. So I'm planning to actually use the same method to do some like butterfly for the trinket shells. I think they will look amazing. As for the last craft, now, you might be surprised that I did include a lot of shots of the lying monster in the reveal. Well, let's just say she's more of a poop monster. That's on me. I didn't give myself proper time to actually finish her. But if I had like proper tape and 2 solid weeks that I could spend on making her 8 hours a day, she would look stunning. Honestly, I'm thinking about redoing her for the next year because I think it's a good craft to do. My wife mentioned that she could program an Arduino for me so she can move. Like, can you imagine? 2 out of 3 crafts went well. So I still think this is a success. Like, I'm not too sad. And no, I'm not gonna show you the poop monster in real lightning. Some things are better left to imagination. I have to admit that I struggled while making this video. I was just a bit under the weather, and also I'm back in animation, baby. And juggling animation work with crafting is still somewhat hard for me. I'm trying to make it work. I've got a few ideas for the next video, but if you have a craft or anything that you would like me to do, message me. Just message me. I love reading messages, so feel free to contact me. And yeah, happy Halloween. It's only a few days away. And see you guys in November. Like, we're already finished with the year. Jeez, time flies. 2025.